Withdrawing money from your Xfinity mobile account can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Xfinity mobile website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Once logged in, locate the billing section in your account dashboard. This area contains all your financial information and transaction history. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. In the billing section, look for an option that allows you to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw funds or transfer money. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Ensure that you are aware of any minimum or maximum limits that may apply. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from your Xfinity mobile account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.